Mark from Sugarland has a question about lightning damage.
Well, it's taken out his garage door opener, Tom.
Oh.
Mark writes, my garage door opener has been replaced twice due to lightning strikes. He wants to know, would replacing the existing plug with a ground fault plug help stop this?
No. Not a ground fault circuit interrupter is not going to stop that from happening. Why he's getting hit with lightning twice. And it can happen. I had a friend that had a house down the street. It started on fire twice from lightning strikes. It was just one of those weird things.
Yeah, I had a neighbor in my last house across the street. He got hit by lightning twice.
Yeah, so lightning does strike twice, I guess they say. But it was just a freak thing. Of course, Overhead Door Company of Houston put a new garage door opener in for you. And why it's happening, it could be because you have the tallest trees in the neighborhood. It just could have been a freak thing. It just happens. So he probably has a hard time sleeping when there's a lightning storm out. I'm telling you, it was just, freaking people out. But
when there's a lightning storm, one thing he could do is just go unplug the garage door opener. And it wouldn't get the surge. But I'm sure it's may not be hitting him. He may be hitting a wire nearby and just sending a surge in. Yeah.
When it comes to lightning, there's no answer to lightning. Lightning rods, all this stuff. There's just no answer to it. You just don't know. If it hits, it hits. So
there's no way to prevent this from happening for him again.
No, even if you got a surge protector for a whole house, that kind of thing. That'll work if you get a surge from the power company, but lightning will go right past it. And sometimes lightning hits after it. In other words, it's not before, it's on the backside, like it hits an air conditioning system, and then it goes backwards through the house. So no surge protector is ever going to protect anything like that. So that's why, and I think, Charlie, you know this, in radio and stuff, we get all these surge protector, all this stuff to protect everything. But it always says will not protect against lightning. I think it's always on the package, isn't it?
It sure is.
Yeah. Just to save their butts.
So save money and maybe get the extended warranty on the next one.
Exactly. Or call Overhead Door Company of Houston. They'll get the garage door opener going.
They'll get it fixed for you good. All right. You got it. You want something fixed good? We can help you out. Tom will answer your question. Just go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on the Ask Tom button, fill it out, send it in, and we'll answer it just like this. We post them every day at our website, HomeShowRadio.com.